Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the gold market. So yesterday, as gold is euro currency, they found the reasons to go up on euro. It was the supportive measures from the European Union Commission, if you know. So it's 1.85 trillion euros should be provided to support the economy in the most hurt countries in the European Union. Financial Minister of France expecting more measures, so it's additional 750 billions could be added to this pack as well. So in general, these measures in European Union finally is moved from the dead point and starting to provide it and to stimulate the economy. So on the gold market, the major driving factors stand around the Hong Kong tensions, if you know. So, and that's also another reasons the possible sanctions that could be placed on the China and imposed on the China due to the situation that stands right now there. And that also supports the gold. And gold shows the pullback. So yesterday, as you know, we said that very interesting with the 1687 level. Not in the trend line itself and this area, but mostly in the 1687, because it could become the point where a pullback could happen. On intraday chart, we have the XOP target here, we have this level, and as you can see, indeed, some upward action has started. Also, it's a good sign that the market stands right now above this area, but this means nothing yet, because this was just the first test, and it doesn't mean that market definitely will continue to move higher. So it could be still minor pullback here, and then market could return back up or a bit down here. It's also possible. But currently, we are watching for this pullback. If you have taken a long position here, you could move start to the break-even. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, what we have, that's our response. Pullback. Now we could estimate the target of this action that we have, and let's see what will happen next. So that's just reaction on the support area that we described on the daily chart, on the 4-hour time frame chart. Here, if we estimate the target of this action, you could see that we have this A, B, C bottom. OP target stands 1727. It's slightly above the channel trend line. And market right now stands around the confluence, 1721, 1722.30. Just hits it and can't move above it, but well, since OP stands relatively close, we could suggest that market could hit the OP and then return and back up. So that's possible. If you keep the long, currently you could easily move stops below the C point. And think about, well, at least partial close around the OP. Maybe 50% of the trade at least. And then tight stop more. Because the market will break it up, the next target will be 1740 and 1737 agreement. This will be XOP and 618 resistance level. If market will turn down, it probably will lead to the further downward action and again test of the lows that we have currently on the market. That's for the bulls. For the bears, you could focus on this gutless cheaper to sell, but your stop should be initially above this area, because we do not know whether the market could particularly turn down. It's preferable so will turn down here, but theoretically market could climb slightly higher, so reaching the XOP. So that's why it's better to initially place the stop above this area. Once market starts reaction, return it back down below the confluence, you could move stops here, right above the top. This will be formed here around the OP. That's the tactical trade that you could consider in today's action. Because as you can see on the daily chart, actually we do not have something really valuable. It's very slow and quiet price action. That's why we just have no choice but to deal with some stops that we have on intraday charts, because we have nothing else. So let's see how situation will develop here and see what tomorrow we'll get on the gold market.